Before the show begins, a young singer prepares to perform the Finger Family song with vibrant finger puppets. Panic sets in as a crucial finger puppet goes missing during the final rehearsal, casting a shadow of doubt over the upcoming performance. Time is running out as the child frantically searches for the missing puppet, knowing the show hangs in the balance. United in their goal, the Finger Family puppets band together to help find the missing member, their unity palpable in the air. A moment of clarity strikes as the child discovers the missing puppet in an unexpected place, a mix of panic and ingenuity crossing their face. The mischievous family dog unwittingly becomes the obstacle, holding the missing puppet in its mouth, oblivious to the chaos it has caused. With quick thinking and creativity, a new scene unfolds on stage, born out of necessity but brimming with authenticity and charm. In a magical moment of spontaneity, the audience is captivated by the improvised performance, their hearts touched by the unexpected turn of events. The culmination of teamwork and resilience is met with thunderous applause as the child and the Finger Family puppets bask in the glow of a well-deserved standing ovation.